Is it the right time to buy or sell the BOIL ETF? Today, we'll delve deep into BOIL and provide you with a comprehensive analysis. Our initial report on BOIL was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Now, we're here to give you an even more detailed analysis of this ETF. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Optimize your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. This tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to provide free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 16, 2024, our system has identified BOIL as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.55. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a significant loss of -51.69%. This means that on average, the stock has been losing -2.46% per day since it was flagged as a strong sell candidate. Currently, the ETF is experiencing a significant downward trend. This trend suggests that the ETF may continue to decline in the near future. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -43.22% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return on investment during this period ranges between -66.63% and 11.01%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected -61.93% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from -100.00% to 6.23%. This means that the price of the ETF could range from $0 to $15.99 after 1 year. Our latest update for BOIL brings us some important news. The BOIL ETF price experienced a significant decrease of 5.76% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, February 13, 2024, the BOIL ETF price dropped from $15.97 to $15.05, a decline of 5.76%. This marks the 7th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $14.77 and a high of $15.47, representing a 4.74% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 33.17%. It's worth noting that the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally seen as a positive sign as the volume tends to follow the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 287,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 16 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $241.55 million in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $159.40, while the lowest price was $14.77. Currently, the price is 90.56% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $144.35. Furthermore, it is 99.46% below the all-time high, which occurred on June 8, 2022, when the price reached $2,810.01. The current price stands at $2,794.96 below that record-breaking high. The following signals have been identified for BOIL. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for BOIL. The BOIL ETF is experiencing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If there are corrections upwards, the stock may encounter resistance at the $18.51 and $26.71 lines. However, if the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -60.63% decrease in the stock. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). The volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider when making investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which showed a sell signal 25 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Indicator gave a buy signal 90 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, there was a buy signal 23 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to gain more insights. The short moving average gave a sell signal 20 days ago, aligning with the long-term moving average, which also indicated a sell signal 69 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 65 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the ETF BOIL. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that under the right conditions, the ETF may experience significant negative performance in the next few days. BOIL is known for its high volatility, which means that it can experience large price movements throughout the day. Additionally, its Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further confirming its classification as a very high-risk ETF. Looking at the recent data, BOIL had a price range of $0.700 between its high and low in the last day, representing a 4.74% fluctuation. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 7.76%. Today, we'll be exploring some day trading levels to keep an eye on for BOIL. If the stock experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $15.97. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a potential level for swing trading opportunities. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. As a result, exercise caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Unfortunately, we have come to a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is BOIL ETF a good buy? Currently, BOIL ETF is showing several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and falling trend. This indicates that it may continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of BOIL ETF is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate that BOIL ETF will open with an increase of $0.0467 and begin trading at $15.10. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We're eager to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.